on, buddy. It's your birthday. Where are you? Maverick. Happy birthday. Woo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Maverick. Happy birthday to you. Can you believe you're 4? Guess what that means?
4.
You know what that means?
Oh, this is a rite of passage. You get a whole vitamin.
A whole vitamin?
Woo-hoo. What are you doing?
Playing soccer.
Can you do a happy dance that it's your birthday?
Not right now because I have to play this soccer game.
Okay, mister. It's time for you to open your present from Mommy and Daddy.
What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? What's it gonna? What is it?
Got it.
What?
Football. Oh yeah. Thank you.
Today is Happy Dance Day. I want to see you guys do your happy dances.
Do your happiest dance.
Woo!
This is mine.
Ow.
Sorry.
That's your happy dance? Happy dance, happy dance. Is that what Daddy was doing?
Yeah, kind of.
Aw.
I'm so excited to play it on the Xbox. And it even has football.
See? Whoa.
Woo! Happy dance, happy dance, happy dance. Happy dance, happy dance.
Happy dance, happy dance.
Everyone is so happy.
And it's this. I'm ready to run the fastest as I can. Wait, cut it again.
Yay, good job.
It's 5 o'clock.
There you go. Woo.
Now it's 5 o'clock.
Jump around. Woo.
I hit a home run.
Meanwhile, Maverick can't stop punching his puppy. That's a little weird.
The dog doesn't like Mazowski.
Oh, Mike Wazowski. Maverick, how does it feel to be 4? Do you feel old? No? You don't feel older? No?
I feel like tall.
You don't feel taller yet? Huh.
Maybe when I eat cake it makes me.
You think when you eat cake it would make you taller? I'm not sure about that.